Today we're going to read Aliens Love Panta Claus. The aliens are excited as tomorrow's Christmas Day, so instead of stealing underpants, they're giving them away. They jump into their spaceships, whee, and whiz off to Lapland, full of Christmas spirit to give Santa Claus a hand. The aliens read the letters out from all the girls and boys, and just for fun they add a pair of pants in with their toys. In Santa's busy workshop, they cause lots of jolly snickers when dressing up with the little elves in fancy frilly knickers. The reindeer wear their underpants lit up all bright and glowing with neon pants to light the way. It helps show where they're going. Great Santa's nearly ready, but shush, when he turns his back, the aliens swap his spotted pair of bloomers for his sack. Ho, 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 laughs Santa, but his smile turns to a frown. He won't be going anywhere, his sleigh is broken down. It's aliens to the rescue with their spaceships for a sleigh, so reindeer bells are jingling. Here comes Panta Claus, hooray! They hover over rooftops, and it really is fantastic how Santa shoots down chimneys on a rope of pants elastic. The aliens follow Santa as he tiptoes to each bed. They take down all the stockings and tie knickers up instead. They decorate our Christmas trees with festive knickers cheer and leave out underpants that say, aliens was here. Then, mission done, they fly back home to plan their next attack. So hold on to your underpants, the aliens will be back.